Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Zalo number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change Zalo number, what you need to do is you need to know about the requirements. Your Zalo account must have been active and logged in for at least 7 consecutive days. Your account must have a password set. The number must not be linked to another Zalo account. Now in order to change it, just simply head over and open up your Zalo app and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on your Me icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and under settings, tap on account and security. Now once you're inside here, you'll be seeing the phone number option. Simply tap on that, and now here what you need to do is tap on continue and enter your new phone number. Then simply tap on continue and then later tap on confirm. Zalo will send a 4-digit authentication code to the new number. Enter the code and tap continue. You will see a confirmation that the change was successful. Simply tap on finish, and that's how you do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.